How to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video we will simply discuss how we can buy crypto on PayPal. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to actually buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin from our PayPal account, you can do so from the mobile app as well, but I will simply show you from the desktop version. So just go to paypal.com. It also works if you're on any of the web browser, or else you can go to paypal.com/myaccount/summary. I'll also make sure to drop the link in the description box and then sign in if necessary. Once you sign into your account, click the option called crypto near the top of the right corner of your browser next to send and more. Once you click on the crypto tab, now you have to simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So in this case, if I select Bitcoin, just select the option called buy, and once you select the option called buy, you'll see a brief history of the price of Bitcoin as well as an about section of the Bitcoin near the bottom of your screen. Now once you do so, just choose the option called buy Bitcoin. Once you select the buy Bitcoin, enter the dollar amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. Now depending upon the amount that you choose, your cryptocurrency is also going to be purchased in that way. So just enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, and you can buy as little as $1 of Bitcoin to click to use a preset amount up to $500. And once you do so, you have to simply choose your payment method. So just go and choose your payment method respectively, and as you've done that, you'll be able to see your exchange rate, your price, as well as how much you're paying. And after you've done so, just select the option called buy now. Review your purchase and you'll notice a breakdown of what you're actually purchasing. And once you see a breakdown of what you're purchasing, select the option called buy now. Your dashboard will update to reflect the Bitcoin you've purchased. And that's all it takes to buy crypto or Bitcoin on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.